Did you remember the previous video I uploaded on this channel? It was on how to extract oil from peanut. So this video is a continuation of that particular video, but here I will be using the residue to make a lovely snack known as Kuli Kuli. It is popularly made in northern Nigeria. Please, if this is the first time you are coming to my channel, kindly watch this video to the end. And if you love what I am doing here, please stay connected. Thank you. This is the residue we extracted the oil from, and we will be making our Kuli Kuli from it. The simple things we'll be using or adding to this particular residue is our salt, our sugar, and our pepper, spicy pepper. For the sugar and the pepper, it is completely optional. The salt is necessary because it stabilizes the sweetness of the sugar and balances it. So I have added my pepper, which is dried pepper. You can choose to use any type, I don't know, but this is the type I used. I will mix it thoroughly with the sugar, pepper, and salt. It should be well mixed, just as you see me doing here. Story time here. So while doing this, I just heard a voice, and I suspect that should be village people at work, because the result was not good. So the consistency I had before reaching here was perfect for the Kuli Kuli. But you see this oil I'm extracting here? Village people came over. They said, we'll visit you in this kitchen today. They deceived me and told me to add more water. You need more water to get this oil out. You know, the economy is not fine. Get this oil out. You can use it to do something with it. Then I heard them, and I listened, and I obeyed them. I added little more water, and the result was so fantastic. You can see. It was a bit lighter than expected, and the oil I was thinking I would get disappeared. Immediately I added the water. Disappeared to where I don't know. So with this, if you have the perfect consistency, don't bother about adding water. When you fry the Kuli Kuli, this extra oil will come out of it, and that means you have more oil. But when you decide to add more water, it becomes very light. And see, I am struggling to get it to the shape I want. See, can you see how it is? Can you see it? So this is the challenge I had. But if you do it the right way, you don't need to struggle anymore. It will be thick and the oil will come out as you want it. So at this point, I'm showing you another pattern, another shape you can put. Yes. So by the end of the day, this is what we have. So we'll get to the next step. You're welcome back. Please, if you have been watching this video to this particular moment and you're yet to subscribe, I don't know, please click on the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. So what we'll be doing here next is to fry our Kuli Kuli, and then we begin to eat it. If you can see here, I am still using the oil I extracted from the previous video. Don't use any other oil. Use the oil extracted from the peanut and fry your kuli kuli. Remember, as I said earlier, if there was no much water from this, I will have more oil than this. So the process of doing this also helps to purify the oil. While still frying, I want to share with you the benefits of this oil, or what we use this oil for. We use this oil to cook any kind of food with it. Any food you can use vegetable oil to cook with, you can use this particular oil to cook with it also. So it can be a substitute for vegetable oil. And one thing that is special about this oil is it has a special aroma. It has a special kind of aroma it gives to your food, like a little bit of ingredients for cooking, and this oil inside that food, I can bet you that you will enjoy this food to the fullest. The only issue I will say is that it has higher percentage of cholesterol in it. So those who have issues with cholesterol should not eat this oil. Again, if you have allergy to groundnut, you can decide to stay away from this oil. For me, I have allergy. If I eat this oil in large quantity, I might find myself in the hospital. If you know you have any of these allergies, please stay away from this. But if not, please enjoy this oil. I've used it to cook with it and it was mwah. And we have come to the end of this video. If you have not subscribed, I don't know why. Please click on the subscribe button and be a part of this family. Can you see our oil? We will sieve it, get a sieve and get all these particles out and store it in an airtight container for future use. Yeah, so you can see my Kuli Kuli. My Kuli Kuli is looking all yummy and beautiful. By the way, by this time you're seeing this video, we are done eating everything. In fact, my daughter was saying that, Mommy, I wish we can do this again. I've missed this Kuli Kuli. It is finished now. Please don't forget to do it in your houses. That's the essence of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Till I come your way in another video. Have a nice day. Au revoir. Bye.